This video walks you through how to create campaigns in HubSpot. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. Once you are in, go to the main navigation and open Marketing, then select Campaigns. This takes you to the area where campaigns are created, organized, and tracked. From the Campaigns page, click Create Campaign. HubSpot will open the Create Campaign window where you can enter the main details for the new campaign before saving it. Begin with the campaign name. Use the name field to enter the label you want for this campaign. Then choose a campaign color. This color helps identify the campaign visually in HubSpot. If your account uses owners, select the campaign owner as well. If that field is optional in your setup, you can leave it as needed. Next, configure the campaign settings in the same creation window. Set the campaign start date and the campaign end date so the timeline is defined from the beginning, then enter the campaign audience. This gives the campaign a clear target group inside the campaign record. If there are any internal notes you want attached to the campaign, add them in the Notes field. These notes can be useful for context when you return to the campaign later. After those details are in place, click Create. HubSpot will save the new campaign and open its dashboard. On the campaign dashboard, look for the Set Campaign Goal section. Click Add Goal to define the objective for this campaign. Configure the goal based on the objective you want to track in HubSpot. This step ties the campaign to a measurable target, so activity can be reviewed against that goal later. With the goal in place, move to the Assets area. Click Add Assets or Add First Asset if this is a new campaign with nothing connected yet. From there, associate the marketing assets that belong to this campaign. Depending on what you are running, that can include emails, landing pages, forms, ads, workflows, blog posts, or other available assets in your HubSpot account. Make sure you attach the assets that actually belong to this campaign, since reporting will depend on those associations. Once the assets are added, take a moment to review the campaign from the dashboard, check the campaign details, confirm the dates and audience, look over any notes, and verify that the goal is set correctly. Then review the assets you connected so the campaign reflects the right marketing activity. From this same dashboard, you can continue managing the campaign and tracking its performance over time. Your new HubSpot campaign is now created with its details, goal, and associated assets in place.